Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso Field Blue 1.6 HDI in metallic grey. It's had 2 owners from new, has covered 65,000 miles and comes with a full service history. Features include 7 seats, both front and rear parking sensors, cruise control, satellite navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.